Hi there, this is Dr. Lamasco. Today I'm going to show you how to increase the maximum upload file size limit that is usually set by your hosting provider. This is usually done to protect your limit the bigger file sizes that might eat up your hosting space. So we'll first go to cPanel. So you type in your domain name and then c/cPanel. Then insert your login details to your cPanel. Once you have logged into your cPanel dashboard, you can either search from here, search for multi-PHP. So you'll see multi-PHP.ini editor or INI editor. And then once you have selected the multi-PHP INI editor, you can now choose which location that you or directory you want to edit or access editable files from. So in this case, we make sure that we go to the directory where you actually installed the directory where you installed your WordPress. So in my case, it's the public HTML, which should be your case also. And then now we're gonna check the PHP directory that we want to edit. So the directory that we are editing is upload underscore max underscore file size. So this is usually the file that tells the server uh, the maximum file limit that it should take. So in this case, the maximum size of an upload file. So any uploaded file is defined by this directive. So in my case right now, the default setting is 2 megabytes. So as you can see, this means that I can upload any file up to a maximum of 2 megabytes. We therefore need to go to our WordPress dashboard. So it's your domain name /wp-admin. Then you log in. Once you have logged into your admin dashboard, then you can go to plugins, add new plugin. We're going to search for max upload. This should give us the top downloaded plugins. So for example, usually I downloaded this one for demonstration. It's called increase maximum upload file size. So with this one, as you can see, it has over 80,000 active installations. Last update it was last year. So obviously in your case, you could have also downloaded or installed these plugins, hoping that they'll solve your problem. But in most cases, you find that the problem was never solved either way. So once you have installed or activated this plugin, this is just to show you what happens. So you go to your settings and then click on increase maximum upload size. This should take you to the dashboard of the plugin. As you can see here, it says maximum upload file size set by your hosting provider, right? So this is the maximum upload file size that we saw in our cPanel. So this is the upload size that is set in our cPanel by our hosting provider. So this is by the default. So it's important to understand to read this message just so that you understand uh, why you experiencing why you'll download this plugin, but you still don't have your problem solved in terms of uploading maybe your theme or other plugins that you might have bought somewhere else, and then you try to upload them to your to your WordPress, and then you get the error message regarding the maximum upload file size. So in this case, this message, let's go through this message together. It says important. If you want to upload files larger than 2 megabytes, which is the limit set by your hosting provider, you have to contact your hosting provider, right? So if I want to upload any file sizes that are above 2 megabytes, I have to contact my hosting provider so that they can increase uh, the maximum upload file size. And then it continues to read as, it's not possible to increase that hosting defined upload limit from a plugin. So meaning that you cannot increase the maximum upload file size from a plugin. So you can only increase this by contacting your hosting provider. So now we're going to go back to our cPanel, and then we're going to increase uh, the maximum size upload. So we're going to increase it to 200 in my case. You can increase to whatever maximum upload file size you wish to increase to, depending on your needs. So I've increased it to 200 megabytes in my case. Then we return to our dashboard. So I'm just going to go to refresh this again, just so that it can now update um, the maximum upload file size limit. So it's, as you can see right now, it has increased the the maximum upload file size. So the limit now is a maximum of 200 megabytes. Just before we continue, I'm just going to decrease this just so that I can show you. I'm going to apply this to back to 2 megabytes just to take you through the experience of having to try to upload maybe a theme that you might have bought somewhere else, or maybe a, a plugin that you might have bought somewhere else, but it seems to not upload and give you the maximum file size limit error. So in my case, I'm gonna try to upload this. Let's see what error we're gonna be getting. So this is the error that obviously brought you to watch this video, right? Or to seek a solution around the internet. So many people, when they search for this error on internet, usually get instructions that are not clear, or um, you get these plugins that seem to be that are meant to be a solution, but obviously they're not working at all. They're just there as dummies. They never increase any maximum upload file size limit. So in this case, this is the error that you usually get, which reads as the uploaded file size, the uploaded file exceeds the upload underscore max underscore file size. So this is the directive that you find in our multi php.ini editor. So this is the directive that helps us to increase or decrease the maximum upload size. So Once we go back to our our cPanel, then we can increase it. So I'm just gonna show you step by step how to get here, just in case you forgot. So you can either search from here, search for multi php.ini editor, or you can scroll down. You'll find it under softwares. In my hosting, in my cPanel, is under softwares. So this usually is in the latest cPanel version. Is usually found here. So once you've clicked on it, remember to the configuration location is usually the main directory. So the main directory can be your public HTML, right? Once you've found the directory, then search for the file usually at the bottom, which is named as upload underscore max underscore file size. So this is the PHP directive that we'll be editing. So in my case, I'm going to be editing it to 200 megabytes. Then I'm going to apply the changes that I want to amend. Then once you'll notice that once we return to our dashboard, WordPress dashboard, I can now upload um, any file that is um, between 0 megabytes and 200 megabytes. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to upload this file and install it. As you can see, I'm no longer experiencing that error. The file has managed to upload. Thank you for watching this video. If you want me to answer any questions that you might have regarding this procedure, don't hesitate to comment. I'll reply back. Or if you want me to solve any problem related to uh, servers and hosting, don't hesitate to contact me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.